In this video, I'll show you this sort of architectural portrait how to make by the help of AI. So at first you have to go to ChatGPT. For finding ChatGPT, go to your tab and write down ChatGPT and you'll get that things. And after that, make sure that chatgpt.com or OpenAI. So after that, just click over there and then make sure that is login or sign up. So I already signed up, and here you will see a plus sign, and after that upload your photo. Here is the add photo and file option. For example, I am uploading this sort of portrait photo, and now I'll provide the prompt over there, and from the plus sign again go to the create image options and then hit the enter button. ChatGPT will automatically read this one, and after that it will provide you the output. Let's see what output is coming in these options. It might take some time to generate photo. It depends on your internet speed. If you see these sort of blurry things but not loading, you might make it reload. Control or Command R. It will reload the page and provide you the result faster. So your output is ready now, and you can download this one by the help of this small download icon. Just press over there, you can download in your directory. And again I'm repeating the process. So go to the plus sign, add photo and files. Your photo might be, so in this case I'm uploading this photo. Those photos are the stock image and which is copyright free. You can use those things for practice purpose, or you can upload your own photo or your friends, and then just pasting the prompt. I'll provide the prompt in my video description, so check it out. So if we analyze the prompt, here is three parts. First one is explaining the uploaded image, what will be the effect, and then the line, what types of line the AI will use or output, and then maintain the artistic way. Third one, artist and everything, what is it symbolizing and everything, and finally the style, what type of style you want. If you want black and white or mixed media, you can explain that things in the last part of the prompt, and then you can hit the enter button. So our third output is ready. Now we are downloading this and saving this in our directory. Now it's your turn to make this sort of portrait by the help of the AI using your photo. Don't forget to comment in my video comment section, and don't forget to show your output in my comment section. Until the next video, Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.